Alright guys, so today I'm gonna fix this. I'm not gonna plastic weld it. I'm just gonna zip tie the plastic pieces back together and wait for my quick release fasteners to come in. But I'm gonna zip tie this. I went to Harbor Freight and got the smallest zip ties I could find, so I wouldn't have to make such a big of a hole when I'm drilling these in, so it could be easier for me in the future to patch them up if I ever get to fixing that. I got this drill bit set a while ago. It was like $12. I think I'm gonna use this size just to drill. Alright guys, so those holes ended up being too small. The drill bit was too small, so I'm just gonna go over it again with the bigger drill. Alright, so now I'm gonna try it in one of these. Yep, fits fine. Now I'm gonna go through the inside so I can start it inside, so this little locker will stay inside and look cleaner outside. Alright guys, so I got the first one, well the first two in there, and that's how I'm gonna be doing them. I'm just gonna cross them all the way into the end. What I'm doing is getting inside of here, and I'm just threading them in through there, and then when I'm finished I'll just cut off all the excess. So there's that side. It's holding it together pretty good, pretty well. Now I'm gonna go to this side and see what I can do. So I got the car jacked up so I can get under here, and now I'm gonna zip tie the plastic piece that broke off of here back. So I used to go on like this, so I'm gonna do quite a few on each side. I'm just gonna do this side first and then drill these. There's those four to match that. It's all zip tied. I think it'll hold until I get these quick release fasteners on. So that's bolted back on, and it's holding up pretty good with just the zip ties and the bolt. Alright, so the bumper's all back together. That's what it looks like right now. It's sturdy. I went ahead and drilled through here some little tap screws to hold the bumper down better. There were already holes from the previous owner right there, so I just went ahead and did that with this bumper since it's already fucking up. Yeah, it's holding on pretty good. I'm just gonna put everything back down and call it a day. Thanks for watching, guys. There's another video coming up. I get to drive my friend's car. It's supposed to be a review, but I guess I'm not good at those, so I'll just make it a let's drive video, tell them what I like about it.